Hi friends, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. Now this week we have a short week and we're going to spend it talking about shapes. Now we've learned the names of the shapes and how to describe them by their attributes, the things that make them that shape. So today we're going to start exploring how we can make different shapes. You're going to need your little baggie of paper shapes from your last book swap. If you don't have those with you, on the next slide is a place where you can use the manipulatives on your computer. So you could click them and move them to try to do what I'm going to tell you to do. So I have a challenge for you, and I'm going to show it to you under the camera. But let me tell you this challenge first. So your job is to try to make a hexagon. Do you remember what a hexagon looks like? A hexagon is a 2D shape with how many sides? It has 6 sides. And a regular hexagon looks about like this. Okay? If you're looking here on the screen, it looks like this yellow shape, or you might have one in your bag. I have one right here. Hang on. Oh, looks like this. So I want you to make a hexagon, but you cannot use a hexagon. Let me show you what I mean under the camera. All right, friends, so your challenge is to make a hexagon, but you cannot use the hexagon. So that's not allowed. You have to figure out how you could make this shape with some other shapes. Could you put them together to make this shape using only other shapes? Maybe you figure out a way to use some of these or the triangles. How could you make a hexagon with other shapes? So if you see these hexagons, you got to put them to the side. You're not allowed to use them this time. You can only use the other shapes. So your job is to send me a video showing or explaining, if you use the computer shapes, because I know you can't really show me, how you made a hexagon without a hexagon.